So hello and welcome friends to today's video. I am Samir Shinde and in today's video we are going to talk about best budget laptops for video editing. So let's get started. So guys, there are two laptops in this list and the first laptop is for those editors who are starting out and are beginners and want to edit 1080p videos. Also they can edit 4K videos on this laptop, but the main focus is editing 1080p videos. So the first laptop is ASUS Tough Gaming. It is a very good laptop. You will find it on Amazon for 44,000. If you want to buy it, you can check the description. I have provided the link. And why this laptop? This laptop has i5 9 Gen, 8GB of RAM, 512GB of SSD storage, and NVIDIA GTX 1650, which is a very good graphics card. And when you consider the price of this laptop, this is one of the best laptops you can find in this price range. So I will highly recommend you to buy this laptop if you are a beginner and starting out editing. The second laptop which I am going to talk in this video is MSI GF65. It is a very good video editing laptop. It has i7 9 Gen, 8GB of RAM, 512GB of SSD storage, and NVIDIA GTX 1650 Max-Q, and these specifications are very good. If you consider the price of this laptop, which is 69,900, it is a very good laptop at this price point. You are not going to find any laptop with these kind of specs at this price range, and currently it's on discount, so you are getting it at this price. So go hurry up, click the first link in the description. So guys, this was the short video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this video was helpful to you, and if it was, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, peace, bye bye.